Hi, we made a brief installation video. For Deco USA inventory, how it will be helpful. Let's check the necessary parts for assembling LED screen. Screw M10 by 30 for fixing mounting place. Spring washer, flat gasket. Put the spring washer and flat gasket on screw. Fault service tool. Main power cable. Main signal cable. Cabinet signal cable. Controller box. PG48 watertight cable Grommet cabling full cabinets. PG48 watertight hole plus seal cabling hose on cabinet. First fix connecting mounting cabinet place well on back cabinet by screw. Watch the video shows. Next, we install C4 controller box. Please according to drawing. We have marked the place for installation controller. The first module in bottom right corner. Disassemble the module for easy operation. There is a prepared steel fixing plate. First take it down. Make the controller box hole exactly match with steel fixing plate. Fixing tighten by screw for easy flat installation. Connect antenna, Wi-Fi. Signal output connect display port. Insert the USB into CONF port or use to set controller box. Fixing well controller box into the cabinet. Next step, power the controller box. Open the cover of power terminal block. Connect O-type terminal, brown black, blue white. Put back cover. Insert other side of power adapter into DC port. Next, get through cabinet with main power cable, black connector. Power output, connect input. Then connect cabinet signal cable. Twist off signal input connector. Insert signal port of controller box. Disassemble left module, connect power signal cable. Twist off PG48 watertight cable Grommet. Install on cabinet. Cables connect next cable wire thread hole. Power signal output input. Finish first layer's cabling connection. Fix the watertight hole plus side the cabinet for waterproof. Following, let's connect the signal from first layer to second layer. Twist off output signal connector. Connect hub board. Take one side of cabinet signal cable through cabinet. Another side tie a knot and connect the hub board. To avoid cable work loose, get through cabinet back signal cable and connect with second layer signal. Tie a knot and insert into the hub board. Twist off prepared signal output cable. Insert into hub board. Disassemble second layer module. Fix well the PG48 watertight cable grommet. Entry power signal cable. Connect well power cable and signal cable. Power cable connect power distribution box. Signal cable connect controller box. Power on the screen. At last, load the file by computer. All down. So easy. Thank you.